Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today we're going to talk about the topic, the characteristic of super hard abrasives. Abrasives that use super hard abrasives, diamond or CBN, as coating material are called super hard abrasives. Because super hard abrasives have great advantages over ordinary abrasives. Super hard abrasives show very good graining performance than ordinary abrasives, and they have been used more and more widely. The specific manifestations are as follows. Number 1. The super hard abrasive itself has extremely high hardness and can process various high hardness materials, especially for materials that are difficult to process with ordinary abrasives. Number 2. The super hard abrasive tool has less wear in processing, long service life, high graining ratio, better economy, good shape retention during use, no need to replace and dress the graining well frequently, save working hours and improve working conditions, conducive to processing operations. Number 3. The super hard abrasive has sharp cutting and small graining force, which is conducive to the improvement of the machining accuracy and surface roughness of the processed parts, and reduces the power consumption of the machine tool. The sharpness of the abrasive particles makes the graining temperature of the abrasive tool lower than that of ordinary abrasive tool, which can greatly improve the quality of the processed surface, reduce or avoid defects such as cracks, burns, and metallographic structure complexation of the parts, thereby increasing the surface life of the parts and greatly improving the overall economic indicators. In view of the unparalleled superiority of the super hard abrasives, with the continuous emergence of the new material and technologies, and with the technological advancement of the processing industry, its application range continues to expand, and its consumption continues to increase, which strongly promotes economic development. However, due to the high cost of super hard abrasive tools and their own unique performance and regularity, improper use will not only cause serious waste, but also fail to obtain satisfactory processing quality and the excellent economic effects that should be obtained.